Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Wyze for account security and data protections. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the official Wyze website. In the top right corner, click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address in the specified field. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Re-enter the password to confirm accuracy. Click the checkbox to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Select the Sign Up button to create your account. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Wyze. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Return to the Wyze website and log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the security settings section of your account. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. Follow the prompts to link your mobile device for the second authentication method. Review data sharing options and adjust your preferences as needed. Ensure that all security features are activated for optimal protection. If you plan to use Wyze products, download the Wyze app from your device's app store. Log into your Wyze account on the app using the same credentials. Congratulations, your Wyze account is now set up with enhanced security and data protections. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.